So this is a currency video, and I have been managing this client's account for a while now, and we managed to raise the account from 30 USD to over 700 USD and made our first withdrawal afterwards. I then took it up again to 1,300 USD with fundamentals, and we withdrew $1,000. And now during the video, I'll be growing this account once more from 500 USD to 1,600 USD, trading XAU USD or gold. So all in all, we made about, or we drew 2,600 USD. That's why the thumbnail and the title is 30 USD to 2.6. So stick to the end to learn how to grow your own account as well. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below your thoughts, or just show support. Now let's get into the video. So there is our 500 USD on our balance, and yeah, I didn't manage to record myself growing the account from 30 USD to like 700 and back to 1,300, so apologies for that. Now on the charts, you can see there's a triangle right there, and price might explode up or plummet down. So yeah, let's see where it will go. Now on the 4 hour, I want us to notice or mark out the stop hand that took place there, and price partially filled the imbalance. So right there was a reaction and price started dropping down, or it made a reversal and started to shoot down. So we have to look on the, we have to drop down from the 4 hour down to the 1 hour and see what took place. Now on the 1 hour, there's a major change of character, and after price gave us that change of character, you can see it returned back into the range, and it sort of started creating more market structure inside that range. Like it gave us this wipe, and after it wiped, of course it was filling the fair value gap. And yeah, above the fair value gap, you can see there's a 1 hour order block. So price further continued to drop down. You can see it at first it didn't like break structure. It's like, yeah, I would say break structure, but then when it returned back up, it gave us a stop point, and it respected the rejection block within that range. And then this is when I would say it gave us another further confirmation of breaking structure, but it's sort of reversing back up. I don't know if you can see market structure, it's sort of reversing back up, but from my perspective, I would say it's just shooting back up to drop down. Like it's a huge pullback. So I started focusing on that high, and price is currently raiding the high. So, and above that high is an imbalance, and this is sort of giving us more confluence that it might be reaching for that spot and it will drop down later. So within the imbalance, price gave us a wipe, and after it wiped, you can see it's nearing an interest point there, and I'll mark it out soon. And after it gave us a wipe, it's now raiding the high it created when it was wiping. So on our left is a 30-minute order block waiting, and if I stretch it out to where our current market structure stand, it's almost close. It's almost close to that 30 minutes order block, and specifically it's close to the 5-minute order block, and I might enter there. That's where I'll place my sell orders. And of course, there's also a confluence of the 1 hour order block. So that's where I'll be placing my sell limits, and I'll try to scale in as it shoots down. Currencies are easy, and it's just a matter of dropping down with them, but they're slow. And I think the broker that I was using here is FBS, and the leverage was 1:500, so the payback wasn't going to be that huge. I went all in and placed, I think, about 0.10 on gold. That's pretty strong. I went all out. That's like 500 USD margin on 500 USD balance or equity. That's something strong, but I don't think the payback will be as great as if it was 1:1000. But yeah, that's what it is. You just have to deal with what you get. So yeah, we'll see what price did afterwards. Now, this is after so many hours, and to be honest, gold didn't give me any chance. Like, I didn't see any chance to re-enter, but we were in sweet and massive profits. We went from 500 to 1600 within that one huge move. You can see right there, like, the opportunities to re-enter, they weren't there. With my strategy, I don't know how other people would enter, and of course I closed at 1600. But what I'm saying is I couldn't keep on entering because there were no other opportunities to scale in. So yeah, later after that we decided to withdraw. We withdraw, I think, 1.1 USD. That's the profit we had made. And I don't even think this 500 that stayed here survived. I think I blew it again afterwards. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, or see you guys on the next video.